What we do at Bridgehouse Law is that we are helping foreign entities to be successful abroad. We as well develop a knowledge share as well as an experience share. Knowledge for me are the hard facts. We talk about law, we talk about legal differences, and the experiences that so many of our lawyers have lived and had the experience of how it is to be in a different country represents our motto to provide global knowledge.
The Bridgehouse motto is bridging the legal business world with global solutions. Every day we deal with people from different parts of the world who speak different languages, different experiences, bridging the gap between what they know, what they've done, and what needs to be done over here to help them accomplish their goals.
Our Bridgehouse Law Culture is very multicultural in nature. We have a diverse group of attorneys who've all had different types of international experience. They're able to bring that with them with interacting with the clients and giving them advice. So it's not just answering a question, it's trying to figure out the context as to why that client is asking that question and to anticipate what else is coming down the road.
There are at least 6 different languages spoken in the law firm, and for this reason I think we can be a great asset to any international business.
The top practice areas of Bridgehouse Law can always be summarized by 5 things. One is we provide corporate startup. Number 2 is general business law. Number 3 is the question of trademarks. Number 4 is immigration. And the 5th practice area is product liability defense work. We also believe it's helpful to provide those soft skills on top of the legal skills. And that's why I call Bridgehouse Law sometimes a one-stop shop.
When you're coming from a different country, a different part of the world, it can be very different and it can be imposing, and so just providing those really practical solutions is pretty valuable.
We have gone to the Social Security Administration with a client, or I personally went and got tags for a client's car.
We can help you because we know, we've been there, coming to the United States.
I think the most interesting part about Bridgehouse Law is the amount of expertise, and here you have it in a very small setting, so that also middle-sized companies and smaller companies could be there and have that expertise in a cost-effective way.
What sets Bridgehouse apart from other firms is that we are able to provide small teams of competence, which means we all know what's happening. There are short communication roads, there are short intervals of communicating. The client knows who's dealing it. I sometimes compare Bridgehouse Law with a good chef, where the chef is still involved in the cooking. We do have 2 offices in the United States, one in Charlotte and one in Atlanta. We do have an office in Vancouver, and we have a small satellite in Berlin. Our main office is here in Charlotte.
Charlotte is a growing city and is growing through infrastructure, economy. All the major banks are here, and also it's a lot of people moving here for productivity. And I think it's a wonderful place to start or continue a company because there is tremendous amount of opportunity for our companies.